Hey guys, my name is Damien Black and today I'm going to show you how to find highly profitable Instagram influencers for CPA marketing or affiliate marketing in general. Okay, so before we get started, I just want you to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and also make sure to leave a comment, CPA Mastery, to get a chance to win my free course. Right now it's still at a 50% discount code, so if you haven't already grabbed it, make sure to hit the first link in the description. Okay guys, so I'm gonna announce the winner of today's video right now, so drumroll please. So congratulations, you have won my CPA Marketing Mastery course. Make sure to reach out to me on Instagram. My IG is below this video, so make sure to hit me up and I'll send you the access link to the course. Now, okay guys, so let me hop onto Instagram and show you how to find a highly profitable Instagram influencer from scratch. Okay, so for this example, for today's video, we're gonna use a product, a weight loss product. Okay, we're gonna use a weight loss product for today's example, and I'm gonna show you how to find a good influencer for a product like this. Okay, so we're going to be using a tool called Ninjalytics. Okay, so you can literally just type this into Google, ninjalytics.com, and we're going to use this little tool to see the engagement rate of a specific Instagram account. Okay, so since we have a weight loss product, okay, we're going to need targeted influencers with targeted followers. Okay, so we're going to use the keywords like diet, okay, for example. And we're gonna use Keto Meals Club. Let's look at this account. Okay, this is a food account, so we're not gonna use this. Let's search again. This is some kind of applications. Okay, maybe not diet. Maybe let's search for weight loss. Healthy weight loss. Let's see. Okay, 35,000 followers. So this is the first Instagram account that popped up when I searched for weight loss. So the first thing we can do is we can literally copy the username, enter it here, and sometimes when you type in the username, it wasn't entered into Ninjalytics, so sometimes it might not be there, but now it is. So we can literally see the engagement rate of this Instagram account is 9%, so which is awesome. Okay, so the engagement rate is basically the likes to the followers ratio, okay, and the likes, the comments, and all that good stuff. But that's not all we're gonna check. Okay, it's not just likes. We're gonna check if the account is growing. Okay, so yes, it is. It's growing every day. And the next thing we're gonna do is following. Okay, so we're gonna see here that we're gonna see following variation. If this is like 100, 200, 300 per day, that means this account is following. Okay, so since there are just one followings, January 26, 29, that means this account is growing organically, which is awesome. Okay, so as you can see here, it's growing every other day, and we can see here that no unfollow activity detected. Let's see the likes. Okay, and we can see that the hashtags this account uses in specific. So look at this, guys. So 29th new followers, 3,000, 400, 600, 5,000. So this account is growing pretty well. Okay, so this is not over. We're gonna check if it has comments, because likes, they can buy likes. It's easier to buy likes. So we're gonna click the likes. Okay, now we're gonna see if actual real people with real profile pictures are following this account. And as you can see here, these are real people. Okay, we can just look at one of these. Let's just say this one, and this looks like a normal person to me. Okay, so which is perfect. Then we're gonna check if it has comments. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so 20 comments, 28 comments, 6 comments. Let's check this out. 28 comments. Okay, pretty good. A lot of comments, which is perfect as well. Okay, so do they have enough followers? Yes, they have 35,000 followers. Do they have a lot of likes? Yes, they have a 9% like engagement rate. Is their account growing? Yes, it is. And finally, do they have at least 10-20 comments on each picture? Yes, they do. So these are all good signs that this is a good influencer. Guys, now all you have to do, if you're going to be promoting weight loss products, all you have to do is message them. Okay, I think you can do this on your phone, not the Mac. So make sure to message them on phone, and this is something you would send them. Okay, let me just open my Word, and this is exactly what I would do, guys. Okay, so I'm going to use the fire emoji, and this is the exact message I would send them. So I'm sure they would message me back. So the fire emoji, I would use this. Business inquiry. Then I would wait, guys. This is just, let me just remove the emoji, but use a fire emoji at the start of the sentence. Okay, the sentence. Oh, sorry. Business inquiry. Okay, this is gonna be the first word. We're gonna use exclamation mark. Okay, hey, I love your page. I love your page, and I am sure that it would be a great fit for my and I'm sure that your audience would love and I think your audience would be a great fit for my weight loss product. What are your rates? Please get back to me ASAP. Smiley face. Okay, we can use that. So business inquiry, we're going to use a fire emoji here to grab their attention, because remember guys, these influencers get tons of messages every single day, so we want ours to stand out. So business inquiry, hey, I love your page. I'm sure that your audience will be a great fit for my weight loss product. What are your rates? Please get back to me. Okay, they're going to be messaging you back in a couple of days or maybe a couple of hours. And sometimes if you message, a huge influencer, they're not going to be getting back to you. So don't worry, just message more. Just make sure to message 5, 10, 15 influencers, and I'm pretty sure that at least half of them would get back to you. Okay, so you're going to find rates. They're going to send you their pricing. So they're going to send you a post on their page, a story post, and a story post and a link in bio, or a story with a swipe up. Okay, so then what you can do is, if it's really expensive, okay, if it's an influencer with 500,000 followers, you can ask them for demographics. So they're gonna send you a screenshot of their followers. So basically demographics is what country they're from. Okay, so sometimes you can find influencers that have demographics of USA only. Okay, like 90% of their followers are from the USA, which is perfect for our products, and that would be a great fit. Okay, so guys, the simple formula is 1 followers to likes equals, make sure if it's an account with less than 100,000 followers, make sure it's about 9 or 7 to 10, 7+%, okay? 7% plus. If it's below 7%, I would just skip it, okay? So if it's a smaller influencer with like 50,000 or 30,000 or 80,000, make sure the engagement rate is 7% plus, okay? Next thing we're going to be looking out for, if it's growing, if it is, perfect, we're going to use them, okay? Then we're going to check likes, users. We're going to check out their accounts. So we're going to make sure that they're not bots, okay? So just like I showed you, we're going to go over their, we're going to click on their picture, we're going to click likes, and we're going to see all of these people. And if the majority of these accounts are, without a profile picture, then that means this probably has the influencer probably buys likes. Okay, so make sure the majority are not like this. Okay, blank. Okay, so the next thing to look out for is comments. Make sure they have at least 10, 20, 30, 50 comments if they're an influencer with less than 100,000 followers. If they have 1,500,000 followers, make sure they have at least 100, 200, 300, 500, 1,000 comments. Okay, so make sure people are commenting, engaging on their account. And guys, this is all for today's video. So it's really that easy. Just make sure the engagement rate is good, the likes, the users are not fake, and make sure they have comments. Okay, then reach out with this simple message, and I guarantee you that at least half of the people you message are gonna get back to you. Okay, so if you want more in-depth tutorial on Instagram influencers and want to see my personal case studies, again, go the first link in the description. My CPA Mastery. My CPA Marketing Mastery course is still at a 50% discount code. I'm going to be raising the price really soon, so make sure to click the first button below, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.